Anyone who tell you that you must pay money to start making money online in this 2026 is a complete scammer. I mean, block the person and run away from that person. That person want to go away with your money. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can start making money for yourself without paying anybody. The first thing you need to do is to choose a niche you want to go into, either money making niche, relationship niche, or any kinds of niche of your choice. Now, the second thing you need to do is to go to your Play Store or App Store, download this app called ChatGPT. Once you download the app called ChatGPT, open the app, sign up with your Gmail, and ask ChatGPT what are the 5 hot, trending, and selling products in this particular niche of your choice. Do you understand? So after asking, ChatGPT is going to give you 5 of them. Now you can do what? Select any one of your choice. After selecting one of your choice, you don't have the product, you don't have anything, you don't have any experience. After selecting what you want to go to your Chrome browser or any browser that you're using. Type this website I'm about to say, ipdlr.com. Understand? You are going to see a lot of product there. Search for that your niche. This is completely for free. Understand? Either on ebook format, video format, or other format. All of them are there for free. You understand? Now you host them. You download them to your phone gallery. You download everything to your phone file. Do you understand? After downloading right now, what are you going to do next? You have gotten your product, you have gotten what you want to do. What next is how can you now sell this product? Now, before we proceed, if you are crossing this page for the very first time, make sure you hit on follow button and click on notification bell so that you will not miss my next update, because in this channel I'm breaking down all the steps you need to take to start making money online for yourself. Now let's proceed. The next thing now is for you to go to your browser, type seller.com, because this is a free affiliate platform that allows anybody to sell all kinds of products for free. You are not paying a kobo. Now launch your product as a digital product, then you start selling. Do you understand? So I want you to try this out and tell me in the comment section if you are facing any challenge or you have question. Just answer the question there. I will go through them and put you step by step on how you can go it. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more updates. Make sure you drop your question. I'm here to attend to all of them. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to do what? Like and share for others to see. Thanks you. See you in my next post.